All right, guys, emergency Chainlink video. I didn't have time to throw on the suit and tie. This is breaking news, and we're going to show you the impact on Chainlink's price. CFTC is a government body that regulates commodities, has just named a bunch of crypto leaders for their digital asset group, including a JP Morgan executive. Now, one of these leaders is going to be legal counsel from Chainlink. This is Caroline Pham's post right here. She's the CFTC acting chairperson here, and she said, congrats to Chainlink's general counsel, Ben Sherwin, on his appointment to the Digital Asset Markets Subcommittee. Now, no one's talking about how important this subcommittee is. Now, I almost did a phone record. I want to get this out to you as fast as possible, but there's too many things on the screen I want to show you here. So let me just run through it real quickly. Now, what is the CFTC Digital Asset Subcommittee? Not enough people are talking about what they actually do. This is an advisory body for the CFTC. Now, remember, they regulate commodities. Some commodities are going to be pork belly futures or maybe oil. So they don't have everyone on this board that knows crypto in and out. And so this regulating body, the CFTC Digital Asset Markets Subcommittee, helps them with expert guidance for emerging issues in the digital asset markets, because a big oil executive might not understand the impact that Chainlink will have in the future. Now, they'll give framework for drafting legislation and regulation. So this is literally the subcommittee. Downstream effects are writing the rules and laws that regulate crypto. Now, one of the things they're going to do here, this subcommittee's stated purpose, stated goal, expanding the use of non-cash collateral, aka tokenized assets, aka crypto, in the derivatives markets via distributed ledger technology. Now, derivatives markets is like the dark secret of the finance world. People don't understand how large the derivatives market is. If you look at the notional value, which is going to be using all the borrowed money, all the leverage money, you add that up, it is a $600 trillion market. And so this subcommittee is eventually going to be putting this derivatives market on the blockchain, and Chainlink is going to be powering all of this. Now, again, I'm going to show you the price prediction in a second, but this is interesting. These people are Blockchain Association members. So Blockchain Association member applauds our members, Ben Sherwin, on their appointment to this Digital Asset Market Subcommittee. Now, if you double click on Blockchain Association, go to their page, go to their website. This is a very powerful association. So we have a very powerful association appointing members for this very powerful subcommittee. So these are those cigar smoke filled rooms where all the major policies are being implemented. Now, if you go down to the bottom, check out the board of directors of this blockchain association. These are the biggest players in all of crypto. Consensus. You maybe never heard of Consensus, but I bet you've heard of MetaMask. That's right, they run MetaMask. DCG. You probably never heard of DCG, but guess what? They're behind something called Grayscale Investments. They also have some of the largest crypto publications in the world. These are some of the most powerful crypto companies that people have never heard of. Multicoin Capital. Well, guess what they got in on the seed round and still hold today? Solana. So they have tons and boatloads of Solana that they got for pennies on the dollar. Now, I want to show you this chart here. It's a very important chart. This is Link Bitcoin. And as we speak on the weekly chart, and it looks even better when you zoom in, this is a falling wedge that looks like this thing is about to break out. Now, I'm going to show you the breakout point in a second. I just wanted to zoom in. You can see we have been hitting against this on the 4-hour candles. And the more you knock on a door, the more likely you're going to burst through that door. Let's go back to the weekly here. In this falling wedge, it does have a really good target. So we're going to look at the first time it touches the top, first time it touches the bottom. This is going to give us our breakout prediction. And wait till you see the gains against Bitcoin. This looks like Chainlink wants to blast off against Bitcoin. Looks like alt season is about to be here for Chainlink, and it looks like Chainlink might triple against Bitcoin. I actually sold about 10% of my Bitcoin position this morning for Chainlink. That's how bullish I am, folks. That's how bullish I am on this news. Thank you for watching this emergency upload. Like I said, I didn't have time to put on the tie. I would have done the phone record while walking the dogs, but I just had to show you all this stuff on the screen. So I'm DZ, and I'll see you Link Marines at the top.